In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips on how to become more intelligent and improve your academic performance. Hey everyone, my name is David and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can become more intelligent. Now, intelligence is relative and some people might think this isn't possible, but I'm here to tell you that it is possible with a little bit of effort. So whether or not you're struggling in school or just want to get ahead, stay tuned because I'm about to share with you some of my best tips. Tip 1. Read books on a variety of subjects. The first way to become more intelligent is by reading books on a variety of subjects. This could be anything from biographies to fiction to non-fiction. By reading different types of books, you'll expose yourself to new information and new ways of thinking. And the more you read, the more intelligent you'll become. Tip 2. Take classes that interest you. The second way to become more intelligent is by taking classes that interest you. If you're passionate about a certain topic, you'll be more likely to focus and learn more in that class. And the more information you learn, the smarter you'll become. Tip 3. Learn about the world as much as possible. The third way to become more intelligent is by learning about the world as much as possible. This could mean traveling, reading newspapers, or watching documentaries. By learning about different cultures and how the world works, you'll be able to see things from a new perspective and learn new things. And the smarter you become, the more knowledgeable you'll be. Tip 4. Focus on understanding and retaining information rather than memorizing it for later use. The fourth way to become more intelligent is by focusing on understanding and retaining information rather than memorizing it for later use. This means that you should try to understand the concept behind the information, rather than just memorizing the facts. By doing this, you'll be able to use the information in different situations and you'll also remember it for longer. And the more intelligent you become, the better your memory will be. So those are 4 tips on how to become more intelligent academically. If you follow these tips, I guarantee you'll see an improvement in your academic performance. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tips like this.